Here I have Motorola G100, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button night light, and this is basically just a night mode. By tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change color intensity of this mode, and you can also set up a schedule for it. You can set it to a custom time. Here you select start time, here you select end time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.